Hey, it's Eran here doing a quick tutorial on how to get literally free money so you can use it for advertising or anything like that online. So one good way to make money online and actually get a bit of cash is by doing online reviews. Now, I can tell you one example because that's one that I know of that actually legitimately gives you money because I've done it myself. There's a website called Capterra, okay, Capterra.com. Now, all you got to do is, you see, this is a software review platform. Okay, now what I suggest is you go to the FAQs, okay, which I've clicked already, and it's this page. FAQs for reviewers. Now, the way the platform works is very simple. You are doing reviews, and that's in your independent reviews on software that you actually know, and then the software companies will then have legitimate reviews which are objective, and then Capterra makes the commission, from my understanding, if somebody uses their platform to buy the software. Okay, so it's like an affiliate marketing model, but in a way of legitimate reviews. Okay, so you could just read all the FAQs. Now, I don't know for sure that every person is gonna qualify to get those gift cards, but they do incentives. Okay, so if you look at the information, it says here, I left a review but didn't receive a gift card. Why not? For those reviewers who submitted a review as part of an incentive program, please keep the following points. And it tells you what the points are. Okay? So let me show you exactly what I did. So the first step you need to do, you need to get in their database. And the way to do that is literally to go here. Okay? And this website is called, I'll tell you, it is review.capterra.com. Okay? So go there. You can also go to capterra.com and click on write a review, right? So if you just click that, it will give you a whole bunch of options, okay? So you'll do the first review for free. Basically, it will take you a page like this. And let me show you an example of what this looks like, okay? So you can literally, it says you've got over 30,000 softwares to review. You might be thinking, I don't know many softwares. Let me tell you, you do. Okay, so PowerPoint, Google Forms, PayPal. If you're using PayPal, if you use MailChimp, Excel. If you ever used Excel, you could do a review on Excel. Google Analytics, Numbers. If you're using Mac, for example. Okay, I mean, there's just so many. You could just go on and on and on, and you will find things that you use, things that you wouldn't imagine. There's even apps on your phone. Okay, I'll give you an example. Right, there's an app for personal trainers. Train something. Trainalize training. Oh, train. Hang on. I forget the name. Anyway, there's that, right? There's a training one. I actually totally forgot the name now. It's escaped me. But you can just browse through and find something that you are familiar with and let you do a review. Vimeo, if you use Vimeo, right? And so on. Telegram, if you use Telegram. I'm just browsing through to see if there's any other familiar ones that pretty much everybody will know. PayPal invoicing. Anyway, as you can see, there's just a ton. Adobe. There's an Adobe one as well. Anyway, it doesn't end, really. You could just find pretty much anything and everything. You can also look at apps. So look at your phone and see what apps you have on your phone and just search for them here. You'll be surprised. You probably have apps that you're presently using and they're actually available to do a review. Vistia is another one, pretty common as well if you've used that. Anyway, you get the idea. You could just browse through. There's a ton. Okay, now let me show you proof. Okay, so I recently did a reviews. So I did Grammarly for Business, Podia, which is online course hosting, Aweber, SalesLoft, which is like another autoresponder system, WeTransfer, Bamboo HR. This is software that is human resources related in a company that I worked with. Bitly, that's just a link shortener. Typeform, that's just forms online. Schedule One, scheduler that I used, and so on. So I just literally found softwares that I've used before. Now, if you go to my email, you'll see I have a ton of others here, right? So this is probably the second time that I've done this. Let's see. Here's another $100 coupon that I got. So this is the second time that I got a $100 coupon. So now I can actually claim this and so on. You can also go to the review guidelines, gift card FAQs. I will leave the links below this video so you can play around and do all that and see what your options are. And, you know, do whatever you need to do to qualify, because you can literally make free money. It takes, I don't know, 5 minutes to do a review. I mean, let me do a quick demonstration just so you can see how simple it is. We might as well do something while I'm here. So let me just find something that I've not done a review on and then I have used. One moment. You have to have a LinkedIn account as well, because that's how they verify your account, and that's what I did. So I've got a LinkedIn account and I connected it, and I'll show you in a second how to do that. Oh my god, it's so many. GoDaddy, email marketing. Oh, there you go. Trainerize. Okay, so Trainerize is an app for personal trainers, and I have personally used it as a customer, okay? So sign in with LinkedIn, it just makes it a lot faster, the process. Sign in. Okay, so job title for me, it's entrepreneur. Just my name. Industry, fitness, I guess. Or computer software, because it's an app. So I use this on a free trial. I'm a user. Make it anonymous. Next. Ease of use. Okay, so my personal trainer assigned me access to this app through a personal training program. It was easy to use once inside. There were good tutorials on everything. It had a messaging platform between me and my trainer. Good. I had a bit of difficulty to sign in and register. Could be a little bit my fault. Overall experience, I did get help from my trainer to set it up, and also I think the support team helped with that. Good, that's it. Submit. That's it, done. That took a whole 5 minutes, and then I can go and then pick more tools, okay? And that's it. You just find more and more tools, and then you can review, and then you'll get a notification. I'll get an email shortly saying thanks for your review. We'll let you know. And then within, say, 72 hours, you can actually get $10 for doing this one review. And that's $10 US, and you could use it for whatever you like. I personally used it to pay for advertising whenever I got this. So it's just helped me in my business. I can just use that money for advertising and carry on from there. Hope that helps, and we'll speak soon.